Hi guys, welcome to the Bike Sanctuary. My name's Ben and today I'm going to be showing you around this Ducati Scrambler 800. This is the Icon model. Looks very flat tracker-esque. This particular bike has had some nice tasteful modifications. As I said, 800cc model, makes over 60 horsepower. It's a V-twin, sounds absolutely gorgeous. Looks very, very cool, very retro. So it's an ABS model. Starting at the front, this bike has had the original mirrors replaced by a bar mirror, although we can reinstall the original mirrors should you wish. It's got flat tracker bars and a Rizoma set of clocks, which are very cool. It's got an aftermarket exhaust on it. It's quite loud for those of you who prefer a slightly quieter exhaust. It does come with a baffle, but it does sound really, really cool. Taking you around the back, some slight subtle modifications. The number plate has been replaced with a smaller tail tidy and really small blinkers on the back, which look really cool. Apologies that the bike is a bit moist. As you can see, it's quite wet today. It's got the Knobbly-esque tyres on it, which look really cool, very flat tracker-esque. Nice yellow paintwork with the Icon graphics on the side. A nice big Brembo monoblock caliper on the side there, and side slung suspension. Also had some aftermarket levers and some aftermarket grips. Just give her a bit of a spin over. Again, apologies, that is a bit wet. So the ECU was flashed by the previous owner to mate with the exhaust, so there's no fueling issues there. It is quite loud, as I mentioned, but it does come with a baffle which is fully removable. There's a couple of things that we'll need to do to this bike before it goes out. There's a little mark just here on the tank, but we are going to replace that entire trim, so no problems there. Also going to be putting a new front tyre, front brake pads and a new set chain sprockets on. All of our bikes come with a 3-month warranty as standard. That includes free roadside assistance for the duration, and we do offer some upgrades on that to 6-12 months respectively. We also give all of our customers 10% off of accessories, whether you buy them with the bike or after, and we do offer collection and delivery services should you wish. Any questions, please feel free to give us a shout. Leave your comments in the box below. You can reach us through Facebook, WhatsApp and the website, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.